our channel, Safus Creation. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and support us to post more tutorial videos. Today we are going to give a makeover to this old bangle. Today we are going to give a decoupage makeover. So let's take a look at the makeover bangle. Now let's see the materials required. Decoupage tissue, old bangle or any bangle, scissors, white glue, paint of your choice, varnish or clear nail polish, gesso primer, sponge, paintbrush. Firstly, we are going to transfer our gesso primer into our palette. Now we are going to give the coating of gesso primer to our bangle using a sponge. We have to give it very carefully by not leaving any spaces in between. We have to give it inside and outside of the bangle. You can give a double coating also to make it perfect. Now I have given the coating to my bangle with the gesso primer very nicely. You don't forget to give the second coating also. Now for the tissue, we have to cut the designs which we are going to stick on the bangle. Small designs will look good on the bangles and big designs will look good on bottle art. We are going to cut the small flower without any background. It will look more good. So these big flowers and all will look good on bottle art as it will show the big things. If you want to watch a tray makeover, I'll give the link in the description below. Now we are going to cut the small flowers from our tissue for our bangle. Now that we are done cutting our flowers, we are going to remove the layers. Some tissues may have 3 or 2 layers, but we will be needing only the first layer of the tissue paper. Now we have removed all the layers of our tissue. Now we are going to stick our tissue paper flowers or tissue flowers onto our bangle using glue. So now we have to stick our flowers onto our bangle. For that, we have to mix the white glue into water in 1:1 ratio. The mixing should be very proper. You can use Mod Podge here instead of the white glue if you have one. Now we are going to paint inside our bangles. It is optional. If you want, you can paint. We are painting it for decorating our bangle. So here I am going to use the pink pearl paint pink color pearl paint to match our flowers. Now I am going to use sponge to paint the bangle. You can use paintbrush also, it's up to you. Now we are going to apply the Mod Podge, the homemade Mod Podge, one more time to our bangle to make it more protected. We are going to apply clear nail polish to our bangle now. This is to make our bangle waterproof and make it more protected. It is a compulsory step. We can either use clear varnish also. So here I am using clear nail polish as a medium of clear varnish. After giving it a coat of clear nail polish, we have to keep it somewhere for drying very safely. Here I have kept it on my earring stands. Now after keep it for drying, let us take a look at the finished product.